Hi guys, welcome back to Sunday Warriors. My name is Ronald. A while ago I talked about the requirements for under 18s to start playing Airsoft. If you want to watch that video, there will be a link in the description box down below. Since that time I've gained much more experience and visited many more Airsoft sites, smaller and bigger. Of course, I'm still limited due to my age. I'm almost 14 now and I still feel mildly discriminated about this. But anyway, usually in smaller sites people are friendlier and teams are more consolidated, though in bigger sites there are more players. That's why I was very enthusiastic about getting to the most attended and popular Airsoft event in the UK, the National Airsoft Festival 2018. This year there were about 2,500 players, maybe more, maybe less. I'm not quite sure, but I heard it's one of the greatest Airsoft events in the whole of Europe, and sounds quite good for me to be there. Therefore, I expected a bit more action and intense gameplay. I could imagine about 100 Airsofters against another 100, exploding grenades everywhere, an action movie worth scenario. But of course, that's just my imagination. Reality is slightly different. The gameplay area is huge and all the players just spread out, and sometimes I just felt like I'm here to do some bird watching instead of playing Airsoft. Nevertheless, I like the site layout. There were some quite cool fortifications, and joining in the right group of people at the right time might guarantee you a great moment to remember. Overall, the event was a success, in spite of the second day being very rainy. Though at least there were a few benefits from it, like less people hiding in bushes and more intense battles to get shelter, of course. At the end of the day, we were soaked to our underwear, wet but happy. Thereby I've accomplished my goal to attend the National Airsoft Festival, and I would recommend it to all other Airsoft fans to visit at least once. My next goals are to travel overseas to play Airsoft, or to find some place where I could drive and shoot with an armored vehicle. If you know some place where this is possible, please write it down in the comment section down below. I'll surely visit it and make a cool video about it. So if you like this video and want to see more Sunday Warriors adventures, subscribe to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell to not miss the future videos. Thanks for watching and see you guys next time.